So family, now that stock market been down, and I want everybody to take advantage of Bitcoin. Now, if you're not going to buy Bitcoin, the three biggest miners by market cap is going to be Mara, CleanSpark, and Riot blockchains. Now, let's look at CleanSpark. CleanSpark is the most volatile one, right? This one is the most volatile. But I tell you, let's go look at CleanSpark. Year to date is down 12% from the highs. So that's, it can come down probably a little more. That's what that's telling me now. On average, when you want to buy a stock, when you're looking percentage-wise, you want to buy 30% or more from the highs, right? So let's go look at Mara. Mara, year to date, is down 43%. It's a better buy, and I'm going to tell you why. Now, it's $15. CleanSpark is $11. Now, for every $15 that you put into Mara, Marathon Digital, if you look at the PE ratio, all the way to the bottom left of the statistics, if I could, I wish I could circle that, but that's okay. It says 9.248. So for every $15 that you put into Mara, it's going to give you back for every $9 that you put into Mara, it's going to give you back $1, right? Now let's go look at CleanSpark. CleanSpark is a good trade. It's not a good long-term investment just yet. So look, we go down to the statistics, and even though it's $11, every $86, look at the PE ratio, it's 86.17. Now the PE ratio is going to tell me instantly, now this is how much money it takes to put into this company to get $1 of those companies' earnings, right? So I'm going to have to put $86 into CleanSpark versus Mara, I can only have to put $9 in to get $1 back. Y'all feel what I'm saying? That's why it's a better buy. CleanSpark is a good trade. Remember that. Now, Riot blockchains is the smallest of the miners. But when we go look at PE ratio, right, on the statistics, always look at the statistics, look at PE ratio, look at average volume, and you want to pay attention to the open and the close, right, or the high and the low of the day, right? That's going to give you a range where you probably can trade it, or you can set yourself up for the next day, right? But it's going to, the P ratio on Riot is 13.86. So every $13 I put into Riot, it's going to give me $1 back. Essentially, Riot is better price-wise, but Mara is the better company to buy. Y'all understand? I hope y'all understand that. This is just showing you how to real quick look at a company. Now, when you go look at the analyst ratings, 100% of analysts are buying Mara, right? Because they understand that Bitcoin is curling up and it's getting ready to take a run, go for a run, right? But we waiting. Now, Mara, the 52-week low is 725. So essentially, Mara would be the best buy. Let's see. Let's go to Mara. Mara is the better buy, but the low for Mara is $7.16. So it has a little bit more to come down before, unlike Riot blockchains. Let's see. Riot blockchains is closer to the 52-week low. And that's what we look for, family. All of these stocks that I've been putting y'all on, they've been close to the 52-week lows, and then they shoot off into outer space, right? Because they've getting to them lows, and just like I tell y'all, buy low, sell high. This is what the big boys is doing. is getting to certain levels that they like, and they buying it. And I told y'all the whole time, all we doing is putting our pennies by their dollars. So we gonna listen to what they say, take it with a grain of salt, but what we really gonna listen to and pay attention to is where they put their money. That's where we gonna turn a buck, family. And if we patient enough, we can make millions, right? And build generational wealth for the family. And this is what I want to do. So on this journey, I just hope y'all stay on it, because it's a marathon. Like Nipsey say, you know, it ain't no sprint. It's a marathon out here, y'all. And Riot blockchains, I'm probably going to start to nibble a few shares. And if it drops to $7.25, who cares? Or if it drops lower than that $6, maybe we'll go get 100 shares. Y'all feel me? But I'm going to get in here right now. Hold on, let me look at some options real quick. Check out these options. Let's check out the ones for December on Riot blockchains. Let's see. I like Riot going to about $12, $15. Now these ain't too bad, y'all. These ain't too bad. Man, December 20th, 75. Ooh, $15. Now, let me see. $15 is really where we want to see Riot go. Let me see. 15, because it went to 13, y'all. Let's see, 13. $13 will be a good price. $13. Got a little volatility in there, a few open interests. I like the call options on Riot. We might get one call option, and then we might go and buy some of this Riot blockchain. I'm going to just go in here and buy 10 shares real quick. 10 shares, that's a good price. That way I can watch it, right? This is how we make money. And if Riot take off and go back to $15, I'll make that money. But if it drops back to that, closer to that $7.20, it's going to give me an opportunity to buy more, family. Alright? And now I'm finna go in here and I'm going to buy an option call for December. Right? For December. And I want... No, not September, but December 20th. December 20th, and I'm looking at the $13 call. Now, the low on it is 60. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get in here, and if this drops to 57 cents or $57, I'm going to buy one, and then I'm going to say 0 point. This is my limit price. I'm telling the market what I want to pay. I'm not going to ever pay what the market wants unless I just get in there and I see it set a good price. But if this drops back to 57, now let's see. If it drops back to $57, I want that. So I'm going to put this order in, family. Right? Uh-oh. So let me put that order in and just slide it up. This is Robin Hood right here. So I just bought some stock, and I just bought, put in a limit order for an option. So you see I got 10 shares now, right? And I got an option called queued for $57. So if it drops down and hits that price, it's going to pick me up, and then I'm going to be in for the ride till December. This is how we make money, family. Y'all stay along for the ride. I love y'all. Peace.